Hi friends, thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope everyone is doing well and staying healthy in your household. Today's video is packed full of cleaning motivation. I'm also sharing with you guys a dinner recipe that is not necessarily the healthiest of recipes, definitely more comfort food. But given these temporarily stressful times we're living in at the moment, you know what? It's okay to treat yourself every now and then, and honestly, it's so good, it's worth it.
I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere.
So I'm starting in my bedroom. I'm just going to make my bed, straighten my nightstands, vacuum, and then I'll move on to just doing a little cleanup in my master bathroom. But excuse the chomping of gum here. It looks far worse because the video is sped up a little bit, but I promise you it's not throughout the video. But let me know how you guys are staying busy during this quarantine. For us, it has been a bit of a struggle to adjust to this new temporary normal. We have definitely come up with new routines and just trying to keep the kids busy when they're not doing their e-learning. They play a lot of games, do drawings, we go outside for walks, those kinds of things just to keep our sanity in check. But if there's any silver lining, it is nice that we are living at a bit of a slower pace now, and just spending more time together has been nice when we're not driving each other crazy.
Breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far.
Moving on to my family room, and I'm just straightening up. I'm going to be vacuuming the space, but this is definitely the room that we hang out in the most, especially since the quarantine. And I joke that my house has never been more messy, yet more clean at the same time. I'm sure many of you can relate to this. If you're wondering how that door magically opened, that was my dog. She was being nosy and pushed her way into the bathroom. But I wanted to mention to you guys one way that I one thing that I do to keep my cushions free from stains is whenever we are lounging on the couch, I will put blankets over the couch so that way there's not any dye from our jeans, for example, that is rubbing off onto the cushions, and also protects the couch from the dogs because the dogs love to lounge with us. And I definitely make sure the cushions are covered whenever the dogs are around as well, and it really does help. And then I will just wash those blankets from time to time to keep those clean, and I just think that's the best way to go about keeping your cushions from getting stains.
Got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
This was such a sunny day. We spent some time outdoors, went for a walk, but sunny days are perfect times to clean your windows because you can really see how dirty they are when the sun is shining through them. So it was warm enough that we were even able to clean the outside of our patio door, which we haven't been able to do in so long because here in Michigan, we have just had such frigid temps up until recently. So we were just really enjoying this sunshine.
I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. 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 Reach out to me.
Moving on to my kitchen, I'm just going to clear the counters, wipe them down, put away the dishes, fill the dishwasher, and wash my sink as well. And then I will also be vacuuming and mopping my floors.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. you stick around? Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night?
Now that I have emptied my dishwasher, I'm now going to fill it. And since we are all stuck at home, we have definitely been messing more dishes, and that's okay though, because I have more hands at home now to help me clean them. And my kids definitely have chores. They normally would be helping with putting these dishes away, but my boys aren't too keen on being on camera, and I certainly am not going to force them to be on camera if it makes them uncomfortable. So yes, my kids do help with chores around the house, even if you may not see them here on camera.
Waited all these years for you right here, but how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Finally, I am going to mop my floors, and these dark floors show every smudge. It is a constant struggle to keep these floors clean. But my favorite mop to use is the O-Cedar Spin Mop. This is so easy to use and it really does a good job of cleaning the floors. I just will fill the bucket with a cupful of Pine Sol and add hot water, and I'm good to go. I thought I would share with you guys an easy dinner recipe. This is a spaghetti casserole, and I'm sure many of you have made this dish before, but it is so easy to make and everyone in my household loves it. So I thought I would share it, and I will list the ingredients on the screen, but all you need is cheese, spaghetti noodles, spaghetti sauce, sour cream, cream cheese, garlic cloves, or in my case, garlic powder since I was missing some garlic cloves, an onion, and your choice of meat, whether it's beef or turkey. You'll first boil your noodles, and while the noodles are boiling, you will cook your meat, onion, and garlic until it's no longer pink. And since I was missing the garlic cloves, I went ahead and just added garlic powder seasoning to the meat. And while the meat is cooking, I'm going to combine the sour cream with the cream cheese, and I'm using 8 ounces of cream cheese that I softened in the microwave, and I'm going to add a cup of sour cream. I typically would add a cup and a half, but I only had 1 cup left, so I'm just making do. And I'm also adding some onion powder. You could add some green onions to this mixture if you wanted to. Now I'm going to add spaghetti sauce to the cooked meat, and I will season that with salt and pepper. I prefer to use the Himalayan pink salt. It has a lot more flavor than your typical table salt. And then I will take a casserole dish. This is, I think, an 8 or 9 by 12 inch dish that I have sprayed with some cooking spray, and I will layer that with the noodles first. Then I will put the cream sauce over the noodles, followed by the spaghetti sauce, and then I will cover that with cheese. And I'm pretty generous with the cheese. I don't really measure out the cheese exactly, but I would recommend at least using 2 cups of your choice of cheese. Now I'm going to cover the dish with tin foil, and I will bake it in the oven set at 350 for 25 minutes. And after the 25 minutes, I will uncover it and bake it for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. And while that casserole is baking an additional 5 to 10 minutes, I will go ahead and put some breadsticks in the oven. That way they finish at the same time. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.